Hello students, 2 points A and B have the coordinates -1, 1 and 3, 4 respectively. The line BC is perpendicular to AB and intersects x-axis at point C. So to answer the first part of the question, we first need to find the slope of the line AB, for which we'll be using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So let this be your x1 comma y1 and this is your x2 comma y2. So if I'm applying the formula y2 minus y1, so that's 1 minus 4. And if I'm applying the formula x2 minus x1, so that's -1 minus 3. So I got it as -2 minus 3, and this is -4. So the slope of the line AB is 3 by 4. Since line BC is perpendicular to AB and intersects x-axis at C, so let the slope of the line BC is MBC. So MBC into MAB should be equal to -1 because these two lines are perpendicular. So if I place the value of MAB over here, so the value of MBC that I got is equals to -4 by 3. So the slope of the line BC is equals to -4 by 3. And this particular line also passes through the point 3, 4. That's the coordinate for the point P. So the equation of this line BC is written as y minus y1 equals to MBC into x minus x1. So that means the equation of the line will be y minus 4 is equals to minus of 4 by 3 into x minus 3. Now, this is the equation of the line BC and it meets the x-axis at point C. So that means if it is meeting x-axis at point C, so we have to put y equals to 0. So if I'm placing y equals to 0, so I get 0 minus 4 equals to -4 by 3 into x minus 3. So that means I got -4 equals to -4 by 3 into x minus 3. So -4 gets cancelled from both the sides. So I got x minus 3 equals to 3, or the x coordinate of the point C is equals to 6. And that's the final answer for the first part of the question. Now moving on to the second part of the question, they have asked us to find the distance AC and we have to get it into 3 decimal places. So to answer for the second part, the distance AC, that is given as by the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the coordinate of point C is 6 and its y coordinate is 0 because that's the point lying on the x-axis. So the coordinates of point C is 6, 0. And the coordinates of point A is already known, which is -1 and 1. So this is x2, y2. So we can name it as new x1, y1 coordinate. So if I put it into the formula, so we can say that x2 minus x1. So that means x2 minus 6, that's whole square, plus y2 minus y1. So that is 1 square. So the answer that we got for this is 7.071. That's what they have asked in these decimal places. So that will be the final answer for this question. Thank you, students.